The term we are picking up today is a very interesting one, namely anthropology of self. So if somebody has a basic idea of the meaning of the word anthropology, it becomes easy to understand this term. In fact, one has to look at three different terms to have an understanding of this term called anthropology of self. So the other two terms being, one, anthropology, the other is auto-anthropology. Anthropology in this sense should be understood as the study of others, others in the sense non-Western, Eastern or Southern societies and cultures. When it comes to auto-anthropology, it was the term that can be traced back to Indian anthropology, where Dr. M. N. Srinivas was considered to be the champion of the term auto-anthropology, where he aimed at studying anthropology as a discipline that helps understanding one's own culture. Now, if one has a brief idea of this, the other term that I'm picking up now is anthropology of self. By this we mean that type of anthropology that considers the persons or individuals as the subject matter. In other words, it is actually a cross-cultural study of how different cultures understand individualism, meaning how the Western societies or the Eastern societies such as the Chinese, that of Indians, that of Japanese, how they actually understand individualism, whether they glorify individualism or they do not give value to the individual or the perception of individualism, whether individualism is considered to be anti-cultural or it is considered to be subcultural, or it is the underlying theme of that culture as a whole. It is here you can actually consider the ideas of people like Louis Dumont, who had used the auto-anthropology and anthropology of self. Thank you.